So in this video, I will show you how to power off or turn off Oppo A77. I've done a lot of videos here on YouTube on how to power off different Oppo devices like Reno 7 and Oppo A57. So this video is going to be about how to switch off Oppo A77. Now, if you press the power button when the phone is turned off, it turns the phone on without giving you any headache, as you can see on the screen. But once the phone is turned on, if you press and hold the power button, it doesn't take you to the power menu like other Android devices. Instead, it pops up the Google Assistant app. So to power off your Oppo A77, you have to press the power button here and the volume up button here at the same time. Now this will take you to the power menu where you can either restart the phone or shut it down. So I will just drag it down and let it power off. If this video is helpful, please remember to show your appreciation by subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumb up. And also, before I forget, notice that you don't have to press the power button for 3 seconds before the power menu appears. To watch the complete unboxing and review of the Oppo A77, please visit my channel page or click the video you see on the screen right now.